This song is based off a true story. I was driving to work the other day, and saw a ghost train. Saw a ghost train. See, I was on my way down the road. I didn't get to work that day. Oh no. See, I was held up for too long at the tracks. Crossing guards came down, and the lights began to flash. But I ain't seen no train ever pass. Like the marrow in my bones, there's one thing that I know. I saw a ghost train. And I ain't superstitious, but I ain't wanna get run over by no ghost train. Hear that ghost train coming, like a pocket full of loose change. It's coming from Longmont to Boulder, down 119. Chase that ghost train down 119. Like the marrow in my bones, there's just one thing that I know. I saw a ghost train. And I ain't superstitious, but I ain't trying to get run over by no ghost train. Ride that ghost train. Ride that ghost train. It's a ghost train.